itong chart natin ng Bitcoin, daily time frame po ito. Ito lang yung kailangan mag-step up. Kaya kailangan mag-step up po ng mga bulls, no? Kasi look at this. Sa daily time frame natin, basag tayo dun sa box natin, tapos basag din tayo dito sa yellow line ni Tipay eh. So today is a confirmation. Meaning to say, if mag-long red candle ulit tayo today, pababa, it's confirmed, basag na natin to. Kumbaga, it will take time bago ulit natin makita si Bitcoin sa high 90s. It will take time. I don't know kung weeks or months pa bago ulit natin makita yan. Kasi marami na po ulit resistance, okay? For me, one of the heaviest resistance is the psychological number na 100K. Tignan natin. Kasi magrarally rin naman po ito eh. Di naman, kaya ako gusto ko umabot na ng 70. Diba? Para makita na natin kung gaano kalakas yung bulls eh, pag nagrally eh. Can we break this trend line? Kasi if we break this trend line, if ever we break this trend line, haharangin na kasi tayo ng 90K level eh. Haharangin tayo nito. Dati natin support. So this is your SR flip naman. Support, will be turned into resistance. So that will be one of your biggest resistance. And then sa gitna nito, 9,900K, yan na naman po. And then the all-time high. So dumami na yung resistance mo. But I think we'll still see Bitcoin sa 90K level. Low 90s. I think makikita pa rin natin yan. Mananakot lang to. Kaya nga, team song natin, di ba? Killing me softly. Para kang sinasaksak daan-daan eh. Kasi nga, pababa siya ng pababa. If you're feeling the pain right now, all you need to do is to take a deep breath, relax, and reassess. Reassess your strategy. Okay? Reassess your strategy. Kasi, hindi naman po mawawala tong market. Okay? Ang importante po is makapag-reassess kayo ng strategy para in case mag-rally man, alam po kung ano gagawin mo. Diba? Kasi magrarally to eh. Remember, last week ng February, sabi natin sa inyo, magrarally yan ng March. First week or second week ng March, magrarally. First week ng March, nagrally naman tayo all the way to 95K. But if you don't have plan, ngayon, you're feeling the pain at 82. Kasi wala kang plano nung nagrally eh. Nahuhuli,